In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy XRP on Etoro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to etoro.com and then log into your account like you usually would. Once from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the navigation menu, and then from here you'll need to go up to the search bar up here and then click XRP for the cryptocurrency like so. Once from here you'll simply need to click on it like so, and as you can see here we have got inside of the XRP right here where we'll be able to see the market price, the charts, the investor trading for it, and similar boards. Once from here you'll simply need to go over to the right hand corner and go over to the trading section over here. And once from here, you'll be able to see this page right here. Once from here, you'll need to change the amount to the specific amount that you want to trade. You can also change that to specific units. So if you only want to buy 1 XRP, you can do that by changing it right here. Once from here, let's just click $100 for this tutorial. And from here, you can also add the order type and choose from either market order or a limit order if you want to do that. Once from here, you'll simply be done. As you can see here, it'll cost $1 in opening cost, and you can buy by clicking right here. And as you can see, order filled. And once you go inside of your portfolio, you'll be able to see the XRP will be inside of your positions. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!